Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a PDF file to your Wix website so visitors can view or download your document. Whether we are sharing brochures, guides, or resources, adding a PDF makes our content more accessible and professional. On the Wix editing dashboard, we just need to click on Add Elements and select Insert. Wix has a new update. We can now add a PDF directly by clicking on Media and then upload our PDF. We just need to browse for our PDF, whether it is on our Drive, Facebook, or any other location we prefer. Then, we want to show our files and go to the location of our PDF. Here, we have a PDF file. As we can see, it is a Chrome PDF. We just need to double-click on it and upload. We can see it is now uploading. We just need to wait for this to finish and then click Add to Page. Our PDF is now in our documents. We can adjust and place it however we like on the page. That's how we can upload a PDF file to our Wix website in just a few simple steps. Our visitors can now easily access and download our documents anytime.